Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. Uh, my name is Alakindi Pradana Putra. I am a student from Ma'arif Hashim Latif University. I would like to present an English achievement on the economy during the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 case in Indonesia began with a dance party at the Paloma and Amigos Club, Jakarta. Participants of the event are not only Indonesian citizens, but also multinational, including Japanese citizens who reside in Malaysia. The following is the chronology of the coronavirus that appeared in Depok, West Java, Indonesia. COVID-19 is not the first global disease Indonesia has faced. Most earlier in the Indonesian government had also been dealing with severe acute respiratory syndrome (SARS). Then how is the government reduce infecting COVID-19? Jokowi said the Indonesian government had sufficient readiness and equipment to handle this first coronavirus case. Not only that, the government is also trying to surprise the spread of the Wuhan coronavirus, for which a vaccine has yet to be found. According to Jokowi, now the government has prepared more than hospital with isolation room to deal with COVID-19. In addition, the Indonesian government also has adequate medical equipment according to international standard. Apart from the medical team, Jokowi also formed another team to deal with the Wuhan coronavirus. This team combination of the TNI, Polri, and affiliate civilians to carry out handling in the field. In short, the government is ready to guarantee the availability of a budget to deal with the coronavirus attack, starting from treatment, handling, and prevention so as not spread. The coronavirus of or COVID-19 pandemic disrupted economy, social, and politics almost all over the world. Indonesia is one of the countries affected COVID-19, which has been spreading since early March 2000, the outbreak of this virus continues has increased until the government and the World Health Organization or WHO create a program social distancing or social restrictions. In this situation, the activity is on outside the home is slowly becoming restricted by switching to online methods. However, the virus that the government has decided is a non-natural national disaster spread faster, thus requiring the government to implement the program large-scale social restriction or PSBB in various regions, especially in DKI Jakarta is the red zone. Since 10 April, the government requires the public to isolate themselves and completely close office activities, education, restaurants, tourism, and shopping center. People are forced to work from home or WFH until the PSBB relaxed. People are forced to work from home or WFH until the PSBB is relaxed. This limitation of activity result social, political, and economic conditions have worsened from the previous simulation. The corona pandemic virus has changed many things that also to be normal have now become the new normal and have happened a lot more. The drastic change due to the coronavirus outbreak have made almost everyone in the world yearn for a return to normal situation. However, many have accepted the change and are aware that even if the coronavirus pandemic ends, things will still change. One of them is work from home or WFH. Today, workers take advantage of technology and create their own workspace at home. Launching the South China Morning Post Monday, April, Hong Kong was one of the first cities to implement domestic policies to spread the coronavirus. Before the implementation of the pandemic, the WFH discourse had already emerged. Also read respond to complaints of in-the-home network being slow when working from home. This is telecom answer. However, many companies doubt the effectiveness of WFH and are worried that there will be a decrease in worker productivity. Transparency business head of transparency New York Mouvella predicts there will be a lot of commercial office space empty as workers prove they can get their work done away from the office. The following is a diagram of the income from PT KAI in December 20 before COVID-19 entered Indonesia. It was still normal and smooth. In January 2020, it is still as stable as in December 2020. In February 2020, PT KAI income is still normal. There is no sign of a decline. March 2020 began to decline at the beginning of the case of COVID-19 appeared in Indonesia, and we saw the fact in April 2020 a drastic decline. We know that in Indonesia there is physical distancing, economic wells are hampered, protocol routes are closed at night. Until May 2020, the Indonesian economy began to rise by implementing health protocols, even though there were still many transportation that were paralyzed, including trains that implemented health protocols. In June 2020, it has started to normal within a new normal. The residents have continued their daily activities, and PT KAI also has income even though there has been a drastic decrease from before the pandemic. Maybe with the application of the new normal in Indonesia, it can make the economy bounce back to what it was before, because the impact of COVID-19, which is so devastating, can stop the wheels of the economy of the Indonesian people. I hope the COVID-19 COVID-19 pandemic will end soon and we can carry out normal activities. Thanks for seeing my video. Hopefully the fortune will be stood lifelong and stay healthy. Otherwise, I hope our country will be blessed by God. I hope the friendship will be maintained. Thank you. Take care of health. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.